Okay, I have an engine check light turned on my 2003 Chevy Astro van. And one thing I noticed on my instrumental cluster is the temperature gauge is low. Normally 210 in the middle is low. I suspect radiator water sensor can be wrong. And I went to the auto parts store, and they tell me you get the same thing. Right here. Okay. As you see, error code P0175. Fuel trim system too rich. That means the fuel sensor reading the fuel is too rich. And P0128, that's what I talk about, coolant temperature too low for calculating airflow. That means that's why engine the engine computer thing, engine is cold, so inject rich fuel, it causes a problem. That's also read the P0172, same thing. So basically I have to change the coolant temperature sensor. It's right here. Okay, it costs about $14 from auto parts store, and then looks like simple enough. Find the way to look at it, just unplug it and plug back in with a plug with a new wire. That's all that to it. So I decided to fix myself. Okay, just part number SU102. You know what the brand, but I cannot endorse any out of a store, but that's exactly what on my vehicle. So I gotta make the video where located it, replace it. I gotta upload it on YouTube so someone can watch this video, help them to fix this 2003 Chevy Astro van or the GMC Safari van. Because so far this van is so good for me. I keep fixing it and I'm driving on it because I feel like it's just like my pet old dog. Just he's sick, but I cannot get rid of him, right? So I just keep fixing it, taking care of it, and see how far I can go with this vehicle. Alright then. Okay, in order to take a coolant temperature sensor, I need to take off this doghouse by remove this two screw. One on this side, one on this side too. Then after that, you have to take out the 14mm bolt. The bottom right here, one here, one here, if you can see it, to order to take off this doghouse. Okay, I have to take up the 230mm bolt on the bottom, and this one drop like this, and then you disconnect the electrical line. Okay. After that, after you take up this air vent, one here, one here, okay, this vent thing come out, and then you can see the two flat screw. You have to move it. You can see this right in there. Okay, let me see. You see them right there? One flat, big screw, one over there. Let me see. One on this side too. There's two sides. The big screw. You have to turn, take it up right there. I don't have a long screwdriver, so I connect this socket like this to make this long screwdriver to untie that thing. Okay, after unscrew two big flat screw, I show it to you, right? To both sides, and this thing can come off. Okay, doghouse remove. So I'm talking about two big flat screwdriver. You can see better. One in here, one in here. Okay, this is the screw, main screw that holding the dog house to the body of the van. So I just show it to you. And the coolant sensor is located right here. If you can see it, it's right here. Right in there. You see on the nut sticking out. That is right here. It's located right in there. Okay, that's the coolant temperature sensor. All it is, unplug the electric wire, unscrew it, screw back on. Simple as right, the brand new one. It's pretty simple. Hard thing to do is take up the dog house is hard. Other than that, it's right in there. You see them? Unplug it, unscrew it, screw back on. That's all there to it. One thing, all the sensor you replace, I always take up the battery and off, reset the computer on this vehicle. It's better that way. Okay, I use a 90mm wrench to untie right now. Okay, I just put a new coolant thermal sensor in the my 2003 Chevy Astro van. It's 90mm wrench. It works. I turn little by little. Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you. When you take up this old one, the radiator coolant will leak out from the hole. So put some drip pen on the bottom before you take up this one. That will prevent any coolant leak under your floor. So one thing to be careful is when it takes old one off, there will be water come out the hole, a lot of them. So make sure you put some collecting pen underneath to do the job. After install, we'll have to hook this line up. And that's the end of the installation.